Beautiful guys, we're here at the Mayfair car meet, and yeah, welcome back to another video. My name is Samuele Nocentini, and yeah, I just met this very friendly guy here, Matt. Welcome in the channel.
Thank you, appreciate it, man, appreciate it.
Yeah, we're having, you know, nice conversation. I just met him here, so that's the whole idea behind the car meets. And yeah, I found funny we were talking about correcting people on videos, right?
Yeah. Well, you said the name of the new Bugatti.
Yeah, the Bugatti 110.
Yeah. And I said, oh, that's how you say that. Yeah. Because I'm not gonna take a crack at it.
Yeah.
Because I'm like raised in Victoria and stuff like that, so I have no idea how to say that shit. Like, I have no idea. So I'm not gonna try and butcher it.
Yeah, I was like watching the Stradman there. Probably you guys seen it if you're watching me, but yeah, he's like he even thought it was a French word, and I was like, oh. no, it's not that.
No.
But
doing a video series where you're correcting the way that we butcher your language.
Maybe that's going to be the next project.
Cars,
there.
Of course. Yeah.
But yeah, Matt has a Pontiac here. Show us your whip. Your whip here.
Simple. V6 Pontiac G8.
Yeah.
2009. 3.6 liter.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a fun little car.
Yeah,
it does great. It's a good family hauler. I got Matthew, who set up this car meet, to sit in the back of it. He did not believe me that I can fit somebody that's 6'4" in the back behind my seating position.
Yeah, he's a big guy. He's down there, right there.
And he fits in with headroom and knee room.
Nice. KZ.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice Porsche there, guys. Yeah.
It's about time we got it.
Yeah, they got a nice shop.
Yeah, I really like them.
I need to go check them out. Yeah, I was hoping to see the Supra, so let's talk a bit about that. I've been watching quite a few videos about the new Supra, and there's kind of controversy. So
the A90?
Yeah, so it's an inline six, and it's making 335 horsepower-ish.
Allegedly.
Yes, I heard it makes more, but
I've heard substantial increases on that number.
Okay.
Yeah.
But yeah. So, and it shares the same like chassis, suspension system of the BMW Z.
Yeah, the Z4.
The Z4. Yes.
Yeah.
So, you know, I was thinking about. I wanted to say a few things in the vlog here, and I believe like the whole industry here. We're going towards companies. They're all gathering together. So, like an example with Supra and BMW would be a comparison with Audi and Lamborghini.
Yep. Oh yeah.
If we think about the Huracan and the R8, or the same car.
Yeah, the same car. Yeah, the same car, different body. Yeah, that's all there.
What do you think about that? Like, what's your opinion on it?
I think it makes sense. I mean, realistically, if you want to compete, if you want to compete, not only that, like. I saw a press release from Toyota saying that they thought the Supra had to have an inline six.
Yeah.
But how much money would it cost them to produce an inline six that was stout enough for the new car and reliable enough for the new car?
Yeah.
Whereas BMW's been making a version of an inline six. Me personally, I don't see why so many people complain when it's a different motor from a different company and people are sharing parts. It doesn't matter. Yeah. I mean, the car's gonna rip.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter.
I just wanted to talk about that, but yeah, it's nice talking to you, man.
Yeah, you too, man.
Yeah. Beautiful. We just sat down in Russell's 2017 Camaro. Here's Russell. Here you go. You're in the channel, man. But yeah, it's very nice. It was really interesting taking a look in there.
If you want to start it up, you can.
I can? Yeah?
Okay, go ahead.
So I guess it's this one, huh? Okay, let's start it. Ooh, it's got a nice growl, man. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, I like the gauges. It's digital. Honestly, I like analog. Old school, but they did a nice job here, and we go nice job with the door panels. This is SS1 here. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, I like it. I like the LEDs here too, huh?
Oh yeah, no, it has if you go into the entertainment center, there's that little wheel-looking one next to the navigation there.
This one?
Yep. Just click that, and then if you hit show mode, it will cycle through a bunch of different colors.
No. Look how cool is that? There's some cool stuff with these LEDs nowadays. A bit of sound from behind here. Yeah. So you were saying, Russell, it's got LT1 engine there?
Yeah, it's got the LT1, 455 horsepower, 455 pound-feet of torque.
Nice. Sweet.
0 to 60 4 seconds flat.
4 seconds.
Yeah.
That's fast. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah. Really like it. Yeah, let's see under the hood. Beautiful car. Yeah, I'll have to get one, man. Yeah, that's a big boy. Oh, it's hot too. We got a subscriber here, Kaylin. Welcome in the vlog. And yeah, I said, let's go for a ride in the Camaro.
Let's do it.
Wanted to go, so.
What year is it?
It's 2010 there. Matt there is doing a good job organizing this stuff.
Right.
I'll put his link of his Instagram page at the end of the video there, so you guys can go check him out if you're in the local Victoria car scene. You can definitely come join us at these car meets. Yeah, maybe do some cruises every now and then, but
Aftermarket exhaust on this already?
well, there's a muffler delete, so that's pretty much the story.
Those are always fun.
Yeah, oh yeah. Can definitely say that. It's got some power.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah. My two favorite dealerships here. We got the Alfa Romeo there, Maserati, and Audi. Yeah, there's some nice people in there.
Such a big change from going from a 100 horsepower Miata.
Yeah, I believe you. That's just a whip around the block there.
Just a quick little spin.
There's the other Camaro there from the mid.
Little crackles there.
Yeah, it's got a nice. Yeah, it's got a nice crackling sound there.
And that's just muffler delete, eh?
Yeah.
Wow.
You got it. Yeah, I couldn't take the cats out because it's got a sensor before and after.
Right.
So yeah, it was kind of problematic that way. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the ride there.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Yeah,
Super fun.
short little whip around there.
Oh, jeez. It's like nothing else. Like.
And you got way less weight there to carry, right?
Oh yeah. So it kind of pays off there.
Yeah.
But still, this thing's got way more power behind it.
But yeah, it's fun, you know.
I mean, they're cars. They're supposed to be fun. It doesn't matter how fast they are, in my opinion. But you know, as long as you have fun with them.
You got it. Okay, guys. As last time, I have to wake up at 5 tomorrow morning, so we're going to call it the night. And yeah, I love the the Mac guy, Caleb. Yeah, we met some nice people tonight, so that's always good. And oh, I remember what I need to do. I got some information for car show on Sunday. I have it here in my wallet, so give me a sec. I got my friend Tracy, she's a co-worker of mine, so she wrote me down this. The event is called Canamera. It's August 25th, so this Sunday, and it's between 10 and 3 p.m. admission by donation, and the proceeds go to BC Children's Hospital. So yeah, it would be nice if you guys can join the group there. And it's at 2205 Keating Cross Road. There's a live band, food and drinks, so you guys are welcome to check it out this Sunday. And yeah, we're going to call it the night, so I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Okay, peace, ciao.